How to have the unfinished fitness in your life. Imagine for a moment that you don't need to be hungry or lethargic into your gym if you want to lose your weight. But I have seen many of the people who are trying to lose their weight, they feel lethargic, they feel hungry, and they feel very tired, especially at their weight loss journey. That's why they have the short term fitness in their life. In this video, I will be covering that what kind of a mindset you require to achieve a permanent solution of your weight loss in your life. Health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune, and to have a great body. That's why I have created a course which is a 6-week weight loss challenge, which help you out to give you the new habits and a new workout schedule and a new lifestyle for your life. Friends, if we talk about the fitness, for many of the people, it is a short term. For many of the people, it's a lifestyle. I still remember that around 4 years back, I was struggling to achieve my fitness, but I was not able to get it because I did not have the proper knowledge about it. I have just watched some YouTube videos and I have just gained some knowledge from the magazine or the newspaper, and I was applying all the things into me. But believe me, I was not getting the good results out of it. I still remember that when I was 26 years old, my hair started falling. But right now I'm 37-year old, but you can see me right now that how do I look. Friends, now if you also want to achieve this kind of a fitness, you need to do the three things in your life. The number one thing is this, that you should not lose your weight. You should be a fit person. You should not have the short term goals, you should have the long term goals. Believe me that the fitness is not a part of a life, fitness is a life itself. Whether you are a 80, whether you are a 70, whether you are a 40, whether you are 30, whether you are 20, whether you are 10 year, what kind of a health you have, it is most important thing. If you do not have the good health, then you have many problems in your life, in whatever age conditions you have. Those people who do not take care of their health in their young age, in the 30s and in 20s, they usually face the problem for the half of their life after 40s. And they are known as a diabetic patient or the high BP patients. So you also need to take care of this thing. If you're not doing anything, start now. The second thing which you need to know is this, that if you are not able to change your personality, then you are not going to adapt a lifelong fitness. If let's take an example that right now a person who is a smoker and a lady who is fond of pani puri and golgappas or pizzas, or any person who is fond of pizza, these all the things play with our mind, with our dopamine factor. And if we are not able to recognize that what is good and what is bad for us, we are not able to manage our fitness for a lifetime. if you are if you think that you are making some kind of a genuine sacrifice by leaving the golgappas and pizzas and other stuffs from your life, then my friend, you are wrong. Because what kind of a person you are, I'm not telling you that leave it for forever and don't consume all these things. What I'm telling to you, that you must be aware of this thing, that these are not good food, not even they are good in taste also. Once you achieve a fitness level, then you can find out that after consuming a small sugar or after consuming a small junk food, how bad the impact on your life. And you need to understand this thing after going to with a good workout and a fitness routine. You will find out this thing on your own, that what is good and what is bad for you. So always remember this thing, that if you are not going to change your personality, you believe that I'm still a Ramesh who is fond of golgappa and pizza and a lot of sugar, then my friend, your journey is very short term. But if you are going to think like this, that I am a person whose name is Ramesh and who is a fit person, and fitness is a not short term but a long term goal, and fitness is a lifestyle for you, then definitely you will make some permanent changes in your life. The third thing which you need to do, which is very important thing, that nothing comes for free. I have seen many people, even I also was also like a person who wanted to have everything for the free. Just go into the YouTube and watch a video and apply all the things on my life. But it was not a good thing. It is not a good sign. Because if we are not going to give something, then we cannot expect the gains or take out of it. It is a universal law. So that's why if you're thinking that the free knowledge is everything, then my friend, today I'm telling to you that I have spent lakhs of rupees in my dieting courses and nutrition courses. And after that, I have come to know about it, how to do the keto diet, intermittent fasting, calorie counting, and reverse dieting, and how to manage clients and so many things out of it. And it has changed my all the expectations, and it has changed my all the view towards the food and the nutrition. As of now, I am on my muscle building and I want to gain some weight, but I am not able to gain my weight with the right kind of a food. I have to eat so much, so much, so much, but still my weight is not gaining. I'm not able to gain my weight to build my muscle. So that's why, trust me, gaining muscle is also a hard task. And I have seen many people that who want to lose their weight, they just want to lose their weight. They don't care that whether they are losing their muscle, whether they are losing their blood, whether they are losing their glycogen, water level, electron level, what they are losing, they don't care. They just care about their weighing machine. So my friend, you are wrong. So don't do any of the things like this, then definitely you will achieve a permanent fitness in your life. Learn something, gain the knowledge, spend some money on the coaches, on the fitness routines, and definitely it will help you out. And as of now, due to the pandemic, there are so much knowledge in the market. Recently, I have learned the knowledge about the yoga also. Recently, I have learned about how to do the running and all the things. And these all the things are really new for me. I know how to lift the weight. I know how to do the linear periodization. I know how to do the reverse pyramid. But I also did not have the knowledge about the yoga. I did not have the knowledge about the how to make a consistent running. So these all the things even I'm also gaining knowledge, and I have spent my money on it so that I can help out my clients to achieve their best optimum out of for them. So that's why my friends spend some money. Friends, if I'm connecting with you in any of the things, then usually I help out people to to build their good food habits in 6 weeks only. I give them a system through which they can change their habits on their own. They usually cook their food and make their diet on their own. I just give them a system which includes the reverse dieting, keto diet, intermittent fasting, carb cycling, and so much into it. It is not only a diet system, but it is also a workout routine system also, which includes HIIT, Tabata, and all the kind of a modern workouts which a person must do to lose their weight. If anything is connecting with you, feel free to book an appointment with me. I'm always here for you. And if you have any other queries, feel free to comment me. I will give you an answer on the comments only. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now. And I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and be happy without any reason.